Well guys, it's been several months since my last construction update for the Flash. But finally, we are starting to see work being done here at the Flash construction update. And I've heard rumors that we are now starting to see track shipments arrive from Vekoma of the Netherlands. All this and more coming up next on PA&J Thrills. So on this side, we're not starting to see any work. However, there were plans that were submitted to the Jackson Township Hall. And those should be getting discussed actually really soon. Great Venture is slated to appear at that, just like Dorney did with the South Whitehall Township. So you can see the park is now ready for Holiday in the Park. Can't wait for another fun night. Let's head back to the Flash. So taking a look at the plans. So not only will the Flash be taking up this entire Arboretum area, but it will also be extending pretty much down to all the way to where the Ferris wheel is. And it will be the first ride that you see when you enter Six Flags Great Adventure. So it did look like they will have lockers, and that's because this ride is going to go over the pathways. So it's definitely going to be really cool next year. And it looks like somewhere back here, there are going to be like pre-shows. Like I think there was like 2 pre-shows that they showed. And that's probably because, you know, this is probably going to get a long line when it opens next year. You can see there's a couple flags right there. But yeah, very exciting. So if you're enjoying these Flash and Great Adventure construction updates, I kindly encourage you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As I post these, anytime that there's something going on down here at Great Adventure, or a little bit of information that we learned, so it will definitely be exciting over next year, as well as hopefully the rest of this year. Hopefully we see definitely a little bit more. But yeah, exciting times going down here at Six Flags Great Adventure. And one thing I was surprised is that this Arboretum is actually moving next door to over there. And next season it's going to be bigger and better than it currently is. So very exciting. I'm happy that they're still gonna have an Arboretum, because this is just a nice area to chill and relax. And it was sad it only lasted 1 season, but there's gonna be a new one bigger and better next year. But what we're really here for this week is because the Aftermath maze has now been demolished. This was a maze that was here at Fright Fest, and now is gone. You can see some remnants of it right there. But yeah, Aftermath is now gone here at Six Flags Great Adventure. So I've also heard that track shipments from Vekoma have started to arrive here in America. There was a big shipping tracking form that was filled out, and essentially it's for Six Flags Great Adventure. So it's very exciting. Hopefully we see that track show up in the next upcoming weeks. Definitely really exciting stuff. Also, Great Adventure submitted plans for the brand new Savanna Sunset Resort and Spa. So there's going to be 3 sizes of tents. And let's actually head over to the site of where that's happening. So essentially, this is where the parking for the Savanna Sunset Resort and Spa is going to be next year. So you're going to come in here like you usually do for the Wild Safari Drive-In, and it's going to be right over here, right behind King Ka. And then you're going to board like safari trucks, and then they will take you back to the Savanna Sunset Resort and Spa. Yep, it'll be right here by the main entrance of Six Flags Great Adventure. Also, if you want to see what one is like, there's currently one on display that you can check out here right as you walk into the park. Alright guys, let's take a ride on the Skyway next. So as some of you that frequently come to Great Adventure know, during Holiday in the Park, the Skyway operates as a one-way back and forth round trip. But we'll still be able to get some great shots of a lot of the construction going on. So another thing going on this year is the Ferris wheel is under a refurbishment this year. So I can't wait to see the Flash coming down here along the pathway, and it will dominate this front part. Very exciting. So another thing that has happened is now the paintball building is now all gone. Very exciting. I can't wait for this to open up and be lined with bricks all the way down. It is no more. Amazing. Wonderful. But yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I purchased my brick. So I can't wait to see it down along this pathway next year. Very exciting. Currently, the area by Superman, Green Lantern, King Ka, El Toro, and Medusa is all closed. But yeah, a lot of work going on back here. Still no progress of the sawmill log flume, but this is another thing that's undergoing refurbishment for next year. You can see a couple markings are down for the Dream Street. I feel just at home at Hershey Park Christmas Candy Lane. Now, only if they have had a bunch of Christmas trees, flashing lights. And here's just a closer look at the paintball building.
We helped the great Houdini, master of escape, break the shackles that death placed around him so many years ago.
Alright guys, time for our illusion. So hopefully in the next upcoming weeks we see more progress in this area. I don't expect much. I think a lot of the construction is going to be going on. It's going to be over the off season for this, but it would be nice to at least see track arriving here at Great Adventure. I mean, I think about Good Gravy that's already put together at Holiday World, so who knows. I'm also interested to see, like I said, about a little bit of the theming that they do. I don't expect much, but since they merged with Cedar Fair, hopefully we definitely see a little bit more. But at least 2 pre-shows it looked like. But yeah, exciting stuff going on here.
Superman not here, but at the one for next one. Yeah, it's like.
And well guys, that's going to do it from this week's construction update for the Flash here at Six Flags Great Adventure. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and be sure to hit that subscribe button. I post these every time there's something new or exciting going down here at Six Flags Great Adventure. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye guys.